Hi there, welcome again to our video tutorial in Java. And now that we are here in our user interface, we'll talk about swing components. So basically we have here 2, 4, 6, 7 basic swing components that we're gonna be talking about. So first is the JFrame, which is a window. Let's talk about it. And then the label, text field button, the clickable ones, and the checkbox, radio button, and combo box. So how do we actually create this one? So first, let's talk about the JFrame. It says that it has set title, set size, width and height of the frame, and the get title. If we have the set title, we also have the get title and set visible. This is very important because if you do not set the set visible, it might not show up. And then of course, is it resizable or not? So now that we have it, let's try to create this one in our NetBeans. So I have here, I pre-made this just like this one, and set the visible to true. I have my import here, javax.swing, and then create a new instance of the JFrame object and set my title. If this is my title, so it should show up. So let's run it. And there we have it. It says my JFrame. So it is the title and it doesn't have any in it, but it is visible and its width is 500 and 300. Okay, so now that we have it, what if I don't want this? Okay, just remove it. But now, what if I want to add decoration about it? Okay, so set default look and feel. You may try it yourself, but let us proceed now to the J label. Okay, so it's just the same. So J label, it says that okay label. Remember, these are identifiers. You can set it to whatever you want to. Just do not forget that you used it already. Okay, new J label, and then of course, okay, so now I already have it. So what's next? What you need here is, what is your label all about? So this is my label. And of course, after that, will they show up already? Not yet, because it is said here that you have to add it first. Add it in your frame. So what you need to do is call our frame and then call the add method. It's very handy that we are using NetBeans because it already has IntelliSense. And there we have it. Okay, add LP, and there we have it. And just run it, and we're good to go. This is my label. Okay, so now that we have it, what if I want to put an icon? I will let you use this or try this one because I don't have any icon here, or I'll let you do this one icon because it's just all the same. Use the icon and an image icon. Okay, so now let's use this alignment. The JLabel.center, if it has center, then it could have left and right. So JLabel and then JLabel.center. Okay, so try to run it, and there we have it. So it's basically easy. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to create this one. Okay, so now that we are actually doing this, what is the importance of a flow layout? Okay, what if we added two labels here? Namely, label 2, label 1, and label 1, and label 2. Then we added both labels also, label 1 and label 2. What do you think will be the output then? Okay, this is my label 2. So wait, where is my label 1? That becomes the problem now. So now that we have to deal with our flow out, it said like we have to use this flow layout and set the layout of the FR or our frame. So let's try to do it. Flow layout FL is equal to new flow layout, and then add it to our set layout manager, which is FL. Okay, and then okay, so what is the error in here? We can actually see it by pressing Alt Enter. So okay, add import for this one, and we don't really have to do that. Just asterisk it and everything will be fine again. Okay, so now try to run it, and there we have it. We can actually see the two labels now, but they are not below each other. But again, there's much to do here. I'll let you do it yourself. And now let's go ahead to the text box or text field. Let's just add another one here, the J text field. Tx is equal to new J text field. And there we have it, fr.add tx. What could be the output then? Sorry. Okay. Oops. Typo error. Okay. So now that we have it, just run it and you're good to go. Okay, where is my text field? Okay. Sorry, we don't have size there. Just do the size and there we have it. Our two labels and a text field. Okay, so now that we have discussed almost all of it, I'll let you run through this one and study it. And of course, how can we get an input from the text box using the button? So that will be your assignment, and happy coding everyone.